My name is Martin Kühl and I'm responsible for the labeling machine division at HERMA. We are already more than 110 years in the market and one of the leading supplier of label and labeling equipment and known for our innovative solutions. We work with over 250 employees worldwide and a turnover of more than 50 million euros, and have own daughter companies around the world and work together with more than 30 partners who represent HERMA and sell our labeling machine solutions. And we have a global footprint and work together with our sales partners in selling best-in-class labelers and labeling machines. The HERMA 500 is our new label applicator, a very innovative product. After 10 years producing the HERMA 400 and more than 30,000 units sold, we thought it's a good time to start a new development. We developed that equipment for the last 2 years, and we are happy to present this equipment now to the public. The HERMA 500 comes with a higher performance level than the existing HERMA 400. 25% more speed in combination with the mechanical winders, a newly designed touchscreen, new functionalities, a completely new design, and a state-of-the-art quality which customers expect from a HERMA product. We believe that will be the state-of-the-art equipment for the labeling world, and customers who tested that equipment already told us they love the machine. So we are looking for a successful start of the new HERMA 500, and we are looking forward to provide our customers with the new HERMA 500 label applicator.